Now, let's talk about the competencies of a business analyst. What comes into your mind when you hear the term competency? The immediate answer that comes into the mind is ability to do something successfully. Likewise, the competency of a business analyst is performing the role effectively. Have you ever heard about T-shaped professionals? No. Doesn't matter, let's have a look at that now. These are the professionals who hold deep skills in their specialist discipline and broad, generic skills across other disciplines. As we can see from the picture, there are two bars, the horizontal bar and the vertical bar. The horizontal bar of the T-shape may be used to represent the skills required to interact with those from another community, whereas the vertical bar represents the specialist skills needed to conduct the work of the particular discipline. If we look at three key areas in which business analysts need to hold competency, these include personal qualities, business knowledge, and professional techniques. Didn't make sense? No worries, let me explain these to you. The area concerned with how business analysts think and interact with people comes under the category of personal qualities. The qualities required can be communication, leadership, or teamwork. The second key area is business knowledge. A business analyst requires a good knowledge of the organization and the business domain. The qualities of the business knowledge can be digital technology or organization structure. The third area is professional techniques. The techniques which are specific to the business analyst role and differentiate business analysts from other roles. Project management and data modeling are examples of professional techniques. Moving forward, we will look at professional and personal competencies in order to study the T-shaped professionals. The professional competencies consist of stakeholder analysis and management. It involves the ability to identify stakeholders, assess the significance of the stakeholders, analyze stakeholders' perspectives, and develop their management strategies. Second is data modeling. A data model reflects the information requirements of the organization and the business rules inherent within the structure of the data. Now we will come to the personal competencies. There are many types of personal competencies, but we will discuss communication and leadership. Talking about communication, let me tell you that it encompasses a wide range of skills such as building rapport, listening, influencing, and building empathy. Second is leadership. To define leadership in simple words means to develop a vision and then to take ownership of that vision and to take actions to implement it. The next step is to discuss how these competencies can be developed. In order to develop them, we can use different ways. For instance, training. Classroom-based training can be an efficient way of acquiring skills and knowledge. Work experience can also help in developing competencies, because it provides an opportunity to learn and apply techniques in practice and to extend understanding of the business analyst role. Given that business analysis requires extensive stakeholder engagement, it is usually the best arena to develop personal skills. Now coming to the last option, which is personal study. Personal study is an excellent way for analysts to develop their business and professional knowledge. This was all about business competencies. See you in the next video with an introduction to term strategy in the business world.